Hi there, all my crafty friends. It's time for some Christmas ornaments I know you've been anxiously awaiting. I'm going to make a beautiful square reindeer Christmas ornament today. So gather up your supplies and let's make a mess together. I bought these square ornaments at Hobby Lobby. They say glass ornaments on the box, but they are definitely plastic. But I don't mind. I'm going to separate one picture from the rest of the napkin and then remove all the layers except the one with the picture on it. That's the only one I'm going to use. I'm using a water brush to get my picture down to size. If you don't have one, you can just use water and a paintbrush. You'll get the same result. I don't want a sharp edge, so I'm tearing the napkin edges instead of cutting them. I'm leaving the picture a little bit wider than the back of the ornament because I'm going to wrap part of it around to the sides. I bought this beautiful napkin from decoupagenapkins.com, and I'll leave you a link. They have amazing napkins and rice papers. Do you know how high a reindeer can jump? If you know, tell me in the comments. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll give you this amazing answer. It is sure to surprise you. And now it's time to glue the picture to the ornament. I added Mod Podge, then placed the napkin front side down so that you can see the picture from the front. I'm smoothing the napkin very delicately with a piece of plastic to get rid of any air bubbles or wrinkles. Napkins are very delicate and I don't want to rip it. I let the Mod Podge dry, and now I'm giving the back of the ornament a coat of white paint right over the napkin. Are you ready for some fun facts? Reindeer are the only deer species to have hair completely covering their nose. Their specialized nose helps to warm incoming cold air before it enters their lungs. And it's also an excellent sniffer. Their good sense of smell helps the reindeer find food hidden under snow, locate danger, and recognize direction. I'm making what will look like frost around the front of the ornament. I had some glitter left over from another project. It has a mixture of blue and silver. I'm adding some extra fine white glitter and some chunky clear glitter to the mixture. Then I'll add some clear glossy varnish and mix it up. I'm dabbing this around the perimeter of the front of the ornament, not brushing it, and when it dries, it'll look like glittery frost. If you're enjoying this video, please let me know by hitting that like button. By doing so, you help my channel to grow and reach more people out there. That way I can continue to bring all of you great tutorials. And thank you for doing that. I have a lot more Christmas videos coming up. Every week from now until Christmas, you'll want to subscribe so you don't miss any of them. And if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video, make sure you click that bell. I bought this gorgeous rhinestone trim at Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to glue it to the ornament, dividing the white paint and the frost. I actually found this in the bridal department. You'd be surprised. You can find a lot of really gorgeous things in the bridal department. I'm using a Shore Bonder cordless hot glue gun. It is so nice to work without a cord in your way. The link for this is in my favorite tools section in the description box. Dasher, Dancer, Prancer, Vixen, Comet, Cupid, Donner, Blitzen, and yes, even Rudolph are all ladies, the original 8, first introduced in the 1823 poem, A Visit from St. Nicholas. Now it's going to snow on the back of this ornament. I'm using a product called Snowtex. This stuff is really cool, no pun intended. When it dries, it looks just like snow. I'm putting it on with a palette knife, right up to the rhinestone trim and all over the back. When it's dry, it's as hard as cement. In North America, reindeer are also called caribou. Both the males and females grow antlers. I found these pretty little glistening looking pom-poms at Hobby Lobby. I'm going to put a few of them inside the ornament to look like snow. I'm making a bow with this beautiful ribbon, also from Hobby Lobby. I spent a lot of time in there. They seriously should name an aisle after me, or at least give me a parking space. And as promised, here's the answer to how high a reindeer can jump. A reindeer, when running at top speed, around 30 to 40 miles per hour for short bursts, can jump up to 25 vertical feet. That's the same as 4 refrigerators stacked on top of one another. I added some silver twine as a hanger and glued the bow in place. I'm adding some snowy limbs and some beautiful pale blue teardrops that I found in the bridal department. Let me know in the comments what you think of this project. I love hearing from all of you and look forward to reading all of your comments. I added a big pearl as a final topper. I put together a playlist of all Christmas ornaments and other Christmas projects. Click the picture on the right to be taken directly to that playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos.